I'm going to show you how to make this simple flower. Drop in the comment section what you will do with this flower. We're going to start by tying a magic ring, and we will make 30 single crochet in the magic ring. At the end, you will make a slip stitch. Make 2 chains, yarn over, insert in the same space and make 1/2 double crochet. Yarn over again, insert in the next space, make 1 double crochet. Yarn over again, insert in the same space and make another double crochet. Yarn over 2 times, insert in the next space and make 2 treble crochet. Yarn over again and make 2 double crochet in the next space. Yarn over, make 1/2 double crochet in the next space. 2 1/2 double crochet. Then make a slip stitch in the next space. So you have done one of the petals. So after the slip stitch, you are going to repeat again the next petal. Make 2 1/2 double crochet in the same space, 2 double crochet in the next space, two treble in the next space, then you repeat 2 double crochet in the next space, two 1/2 double crochet in the next, after that you make a slip stitch and you keep repeating until you have 5 petals like this. At the end you make a slip stitch. So we are going to make this orange color round, as you can see. In the middle here, make 1 single crochet, then make 1 chain and make a picot, then repeat 1 single crochet in the same space. So only in the middle of the petals you will be doing that. On the rest of the places, you make single crochet all around. Repeat the same thing round. At the end, make a slip stitch. So you are going to have two pieces of the flower. You are going to do the top, so you make 7 chains. Connect it to the first loop, first chain. And we will be doing single crochet inside the ring. So you are going to do it multiple times. I didn't actually count. You do it multiple times until that small opening is completely covered. You can see that the opening is covered. Then you slip stitch. So you're going to place the two together like this. Put this one on top. Then you use your needle and thread and sew the whole of it together. So friends, if you love this tutorial, please kindly give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. Tell me what you do with this flower, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.